Alright, sir, to close out the day, quick stretch lang tayo. Hands nice and wide. Ayaw pa. Hands together, chest up. So, pag dito, hawak yung kamay. Tapos, pull your shoulders back, lifting your chest. Breathe, hold for 10, 20 seconds po. Now, release. Roll your shoulders back. To release the tension. 10 to 20 repetitions pa. Okay. Now, hands, shoulder release. Okay. Hold yung position, stretch natin for 10 to 20 seconds. Or longer, pwede rin. Tapos up. Elbows in. Okay. Stretching your triceps. Other side pa. Elbows. Ayan. Press papunta sa katawan. Yung pinakadiretso na kaya. Up. Tricep release. Okay, sir. So, yun. That will be the day 1 Sir Virgilio. Chest, shoulders, and triceps, pati abdominals. That's the focus for day 1.